Hi everybody, Josh with CFT Performance. Today we got an EcoDiesel in, which we don't really get in very much anymore. But we're creating lots of new products and stuff for it, especially for the new models. So I want to explain something I get questions on all the time. We sell tons and tons of our air ride level links. These work on the EcoDiesels, they work on the Ram Rebels, they work on every make and model that has air suspension, all the way up until 2019. We are still in the process of doing our R&D for the 2019s on up, but from 2013 to 2018, our front air ride links is what you need to be able to clear 35-inch tires. The biggest problem and the biggest thing I hear from everyone that installs them, they say they break their sensor arms or some issue like that, is an improper install. As you come in here, we'll see how the factory one is, and everyone will go, well, the factory ones have a bend in it for a reason. Yeah, they do. That's how they designed and engineered it. My units will bolt directly up and go to the opposite side of where the sensor arm is. So to do these right, you'll install the top end first, then you'll thread the bolt in through to the back side. It should be perfect perpendicular, I guess, plumb, I guess is the words I'm looking for. So it's gonna be plumb up and down, and then that way you're not trying to force a bind on your sensor arm, which would cause the break-in. We'll go ahead and shut it. So the install on these leaks is really simple. All you're gonna need is two 10mm wrenches to break this all apart. First, you're going to take off the factory portion here. There. Get that loosened up, and then we can take it off up here. If you want, you could opt in to go ahead and just pop the link off itself from the arm if you want to. And is usually kind of keeps it out of the way, but there's really no need to, as you can just unthread it directly right off of the system itself, right like this. Now to install our level link system, I always like to start with the top end bolt and get it threaded in. And I have no room because I'm too big under here. Alright, now that's in, and it's tight, you'll then come back in just this time, and you adjust the lever, thread the bolt in, put our lock nut in, put our nut on, and then all you gotta do is just tighten it up. And that's all there is to it. Now all you got to do from here, do the other side, get the vehicle back out of, if you're on the lift, take it off the lift. If you're doing it in your driveway, make sure you put your vehicle in alignment or tire jack mode, so that way whenever you're disconnecting the sensor arm, the vehicle isn't automatically adjusting ride height up and down whenever you're trying to install the new unit. It's just a safety precaution is all it is. But that's all you got to do. Now if you come, if you cycle the system, you did your measurements beforehand and after, and you're not satisfied with the ride height, all you got to do is go in, bust the jam nut loose. I take off the top, and every turn is an 1/8 inch of adjustment. If you make the length shorter, it's going to raise the vehicle up. If you make it longer, it's going to shorten the vehicle. Yeah, longer is shorter, shorter is taller. Yeah, it's backwards of what you think it would be. And every turn of our links is about an 1/8 inch of adjustment. So there's all there is to it.